Hi everybody, it's Josh here from JDG Estate Agents, and today's 60-second property investment video comes from Broadway in the Skerton area of Lancaster. This is a fantastic 3-bedroom property which you can see just behind me here. It has great open plan living, it's really well decorated throughout, it has a modern kitchen, and a fantastic extra bonus is that as well as a family bathroom, it has an ensuite on the top floor off of the main bedroom, which is a great addition to a family home. Close by, there's some fantastic local amenities as well as easy access into the city centre. You can see just around me there's plenty of on-street parking, and there's easy access down to the River Loon as well. This property is currently on the market for £130,000, and with a rental income of £650 per calendar month, you'd expect to see an annual income of £7,800 per annum, which is a 6% gross return on your investment. It's going to be a popular one, so definitely worth coming to have a look at. Please do get in touch with us on 01524 843322, or you can drop me an email. It's josh@jdg.co.uk. Thank you very much. Bye bye.